Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week, I want to talk about the difference between publicity and advertising. Both are super important in our marketing of our business. Advertising you pay for, and it's your message that you put out to the world. And everybody kind of knows that. You know what an ad looks like, right? So publicity is third-party credibility. They call it earned media. It's somebody else telling the world how great you are. And that's why publicity has so much more impact than advertising. So again, both are really important, but you want to put publicity into the mix because, like I said, there's somebody else telling the world how great you are, and you get to use their credibility instead of you telling the world how great you are. So that is this week's PR tip. If you enjoyed this, and we've got lots more on our YouTube channel, please join our challenge at yourprchallenge.com. It's 10 days, it's 10 minutes a day. If that, I don't even think it'll take you that long, and it will help you get massive visibility for your business. So I will see you in the challenge, and then I'll see you in the media.